Yo, what's up YouTube? I want to make a video because we're currently in a nice little trade. It's a Euro USD short and I'm in it with my FundingPips account. It's the first time I'm trying a challenge with them. I also entered with my FTMO account, but I entered a little bit late. Like I entered here, I think. But then, yeah, we had like a massive drops, which was good, but then it ended up retracing a bit too far. So I got out there with 0.5 loss. But at the moment, we're up on the account I want to pass, $354. But there is news coming, so I need to pay attention to that. But the trade is going really nice, so I just want to talk you through why I took the trade. And I want to show you this, which is fun. Like, I'm strongly bearish, apparently, which I started to notice myself as well, that I sort of take a lot of shorts. And I don't know why, but I just feel more comfortable in shorts. And I really do love their sort of, their dashboard with a lot of information. I'm currently down 3% on the account. I lost 3 trades. I love this, like one trade, one trade, one trade. Like I love how they show it. But that's the big thing about having a positive risk to reward, right? Where you like, yeah, if I close it now, I'm in profit, even though I took 3 losing trades. One good trade will get me back those losses. But yeah, I really do like all this metrics sort of stuff. I really want to pay it, like I want to look into it a little bit more. But yeah, overall, so far so good. Obviously, I don't know if they pay out and stuff like that, but so far the sort of, from my own experience, but what I've the sort of bias online is that they're like a good company. So I'm pretty hopeful. That's why I bought the challenge there. So I spread my risk a little bit because I'm in FTMO, Equity Edge, and now FundingPips. So yeah. The reason why I took this trade is basically this lovely little doji candlestick. I also talked about it like on my Discord. So if you're interested in like joining this, feel free to join. We're starting to get a little bit of an active community in here, which is nice. So yeah, I entered because I saw a doji on an area of interest, which is pretty strong in my opinion, and it already had like multiple rejections from it. If we go to the bigger time frame, as you can see, like every time sort of this, not every time, but a lot of times whenever the price under it, it bounces off, again tests it, goes down, tests it, goes down, but not that far, it breaks, and then sort of it breaks again through it, it tests, it goes down, and then it tests here and goes down. That was my sort of my thought process, right? And even on the bigger sort of time frame, I think there's like this bigger area, this one, as you can see here, if we go like farther back, it's already like a strong area on the daily time frame. So like a trend that was from January, the 1st of January, basically to the 31st of March. So like 3 full months basically bounce off there, like just a massive sort of 3-month trend, massive rejection from there. So that's a huge sort of sign. Here it bounced off, it bounced like a lot of bounces, right? A lot of, sorry for all that sound. That's a different sort of trading style I'm doing. If you even hear the sound, I don't know, but all right. So let's get into it a little bit more. Basically, we noticed some rejections beforehand, and then we had like the lovely the hourly doji. And after a doji, I'm always super optimistic about the trade. Even this little doji already would have given me like a lot of confirmation, but the hourly doji was just icing on the cake. And then I was like joking here because we had this little doji, right? After we had like a massive drop, basically the same as the hourly doji massive drop. It just happens a lot. If you go back in your charts, if you look for dojis, a lot of times it price drops instantly. And then we had like a sort of a doji, massive pull down, and then drawdown, not drawdown, but bearish move, and then again, another doji. So I was like here joking, oh, reverse doji, shit. And yeah, it did end up sort of reversing. And then as you can see here, another doji, and then it goes down. So dojis are just super strong. Like all the dojis you see here, like this one, like this one, it sort of reversed the trend, or this one, like these two. Then sort of this one reversed like the small trend. This one reversed again. This one didn't really do much. This one did. This one did. This one did. As you can see, like a lot of times whenever you see doji, sort of the price goes the opposite way. Oh, it's really close to my take profit. 535. I don't know where my take profit is at. It's at 553. So, yeah, I'm definitely gonna lower my stop loss to pretty much where price at, because yeah, it's basically at my TP, right? So 508, which is fine. There's a lot of sort of volume kicking in. I don't know why, maybe because the news is coming. But yeah, I just want to secure the profit. Okay, so there we go, we're out. So we're up 2% now from being down 3%. Here we go. The only thing is, like, one sec, let me refresh it on another screen, because the thing is, my name gets changed, which is annoying. Wait, which one do I want to show? This one? Which is annoying. Like, I'm not yet 100% sure what I should do about it. If I should just share my full name and stuff. Like, I'm not 100% sure yet. I will probably will in the future, but for now I'm just changing it all the time. Just to make sure, you know. I don't get crazy stuff going on. So let's get back into this. So we're up 203 now. And I think it's still sort of, well, it's still loading. I refresh, but you do see this. Well, it's probably still loading, but yeah. Anyway, I think this is a nice sort of end of the video. We did have a lovely closure of the trade together. So I'm putting it like this. I think, well, let's just do this because I exited here. So yeah, super nice trade. Lovely little trade. So super happy with that. If you like this sort of content, letting me know is very much appreciated. Feel free to join the Discord. And yeah, I'm also down to do some sort of free coaching sessions. I'm not saying I'm the best trader, but yeah, I'm happy to sort of see if I can help some people. It's interesting to me to see other people's perspective on charts and stuff. And I learned from it as well. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, comment, and like, all that good stuff. Everything is very much appreciated. I didn't make a video for like a little bit because I was busy with learning another trading system, which you might have heard in the background. But yeah, things have been going pretty well. Sadly, I didn't enter the trade on my same entry with the funded account, because then I would have had a nice little payout again, but that happens. Happy to collect a profit anyway. And yeah, I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much.